Welcome to Accelerator. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about Vlookup function. Before we kick off, I'll request you to please consider subscribing my channel, and when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications and updates. We use Vlookup function where we are interested in part of the information relating to the information we have already got. For example, in this data, if we know the invoice number and we want to know the VAT amount against those invoice, that's the situation where we will apply Vlookup function. You don't have to apply the function on the same screen. I do it for keep the thing simple and easy. You can do it in a separate sheet. For example, I'll just copy column A where we have got sales invoices in here in a separate sheet, and in column B I will label the column as VAT because I want to know the VAT amount charged against those invoices. So there are different ways you can apply the functions. The way I choose and prefer is by pressing Shift and F3 key. It will give you insert function dialog box, and in this section you will write function name Vlookup and press go. It will find the function for you. Select the function, press OK, and in the lookup value, in here it is asking us what value we want to look in the raw data. So that got to be the sales invoice. Just click on the sale invoice, move on to table array. In table array, it's basically asking you what is the data source we want to look for this lookup value, and that data source is in tab data tab, and in here you're gonna have to select the data starting from your lookup value till the value you are interested in to return, and that value is in column F, which is VAT. And if you select that data and then in column index number, this is the column number you want to return the value from. So in here, if you start counting from column A, B, C, D, E and F, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the information we are after is in 6th column. So we will type number 6, and in here range lookup, that's just a default thing. Press type false or 0. So it has brought up the VAT amount against that invoice. Just to double check, we will do a quick check once we have completed the information. So once you have got the Vlookup function applied in one cell, just bring your mouse cursor here, double click, and it will copy the formula down below in all the respective cells. And if you see, the reference has moved down with the column with the formula as well. So let's have a quick check whether it has given us the correct information. The total of the VAT column is 1373, and in here we have got pretty much same value, 1373. So it means we have got correct output. There are some limitations of Vlookup function. For example, if the invoice number is repeating, for example this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 invoice is repeating, the Vlookup will pick up the information against the first value. It will totally ignore the second value. There are other functions which we can use. They does the job pretty much same way as Vlookup does, and they are a bit better than Vlookup. For example, index match function, which I will talk about in some later video. And there's another limitation of Vlookup. For example, we are extracting the information in column F. Just imagine if you move the column F in place of column D, the whole of our data will mess up. Now just imagine, we said we are after VAT, and VAT column is the total of VAT column is 1373, but now the VAT amount we have got, it has got a total of 6862. Why? Because the sixth column, which was previously VAT column, now it's subtotal column, and the subtotal value is 6863. So VLOOKUP will not consider the movement in the data. It will just keep bringing the information in the sixth column. Hopefully this video has made sense to you. If it hasn't, please drop a question below in the comment section and I will try to answer it at my convenience. And if you can, please consider subscribing my channel. That will really encourage me to make more videos for you. And when you do subscribe it, don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification and updates. Thank you very much.